Here we are at AZA 2024 in Calgary, Canada. We have our DC unit on display. What's unique about this particular DC unit that we brought here is it's actually running on batteries. This is 40 volts. The power supply will actually take anything from 24 to 80 volts input. It operates normally on these batteries. You can turn it up and you'll see the motor start here, and we'll be able to run it all the way up just like normal. We can access all the screens. It operates just like it was if it was plugged in as line power, and we're definitely looking to see if we can create remote operable pump via solar and battery bank, or even as an emergency system where if your line power were to go out, you could use the batteries to continue to operate the pump for those critical applications.